welcome back to my channel, and I'm back at it again with another Stitch Fix try-on unboxing haul type video. So I did something different this month for Stitch Fix. Instead of, okay, let me backtrack. So whenever Stitch Fix styles you, you get an email that says, hey, your box is about to ship. Write a note to your stylist and let her know or him know what you're looking for. Every single month I write a little note and I say, hey, it'd be great if I could have this or that. Well, this month I decided to leave it blank, not write anything, and just get like a wild card box to see what items that stylist picked for me. And I will say I'm a little excited because I got some really cute stuff. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's like a clothing subscription box where a stylist curates a box of items for you, sends it to you, what you want to keep that you like, you keep and pay for. What you don't want, you send back in this like pre-done slip. And they also send you like a little note card talking about what items they sent, why they sent them, and then you have a receipt type sheet saying this is how much the items are if you choose to keep them. There is a $20 a month styling fee, and if you, whatever you keep, you get that money credited towards the total amount of what you keep. If you don't keep anything, then you just lose that 20 bucks. But I mean, I usually end up keeping something, so it's, you know, I get that 20 bucks credited towards whatever. I wish y'all could see her right now. Okay, so let's get started. I won't read the notes. I won't bother you with all of that nonsense. First thing I want to talk about is this like light teal tropical floral type dress. I saw this, I peeked and saw it on the app before they sent it, and I was so excited for this because it's so pretty and it's like my kind of like floral detail for the summertime. And I loved that the bottom was sort of like a high-low, I guess, like longer on the sides. I love like the abstract look of it. Is that what you call it? The colors are pretty and I was really excited for it. However, when I put it on, it was not me. It just really didn't do anything for me. I think maybe I may need a size smaller because it's like elastic in the waistband here, but the elastic didn't stretch out at all. So I think maybe I need a size smaller. Let's see how much this is. I don't even know how much it is. You can exchange things too. If you really like something but it's not your size, you can exchange it. All right, so this is the Hutch brand Hazel Maxi dress in a size 2X, and it's $78. Okay, now let's get into the like winner of the day. These are shorts, y'all. Look how stinking cute. They're like, I don't even know how to describe them, but these are the cutest shorts. It's from the brand Leela Ryan. I've never gotten anything from this brand before, and I was a little worried about the fit. They sent them in a size 18. They're called White Floral. Oh, it says exclusively for Stitch Fix. So it's one of those brands that only does Stitch Fix type things. I put these on and they fit like a dream. These are amazing, adorable. They're not too short. They're the right length for me. I have nothing negative to say about them. They're so cute. Like, I'm obsessed with these. Like, if I could get a pair of these fabric and fit, but just in different colors every single month, I would be happy. Like, 100% I would be happy. But let's see how much they are. So, these, they're $68. I just dropped my paper because they're so expensive. $68. Y'all know I'm gonna keep them. All right, and then I paired it with this top that they sent. It's this cold shoulder. What brand is it? Paper Moon cold shoulder. Yeah, that's it. Navy, and it was so cute with these shorts. Like, just like a cute little summer outfit. This shirt fit great. I mean, it was a little bit short for my liking, but I think that's okay if you wear it with the right bottoms. And I liked the little extra detail on the bottom, just this little bit of like crossover fabric. I thought was like, you know, just a nice little touch. I love the navy. Like I said, I paired it with these shorts and it was real cute. So this is, let's see, Paper Moon Danny cold shoulder knit top in navy. It's a size 2X and it's $34. So that's not so bad, $34. That's a cute top. And then the other top they sent me is this black, it's like almost that, it's not stretchy material. I don't even know what kind of material this is. It's from the brand Your Story. It's in a size 2X. It's got like this lace detail on the shoulders. It's sleeveless. In theory, it's really pretty. When I saw it on the app, I thought, oh, this will be nice. You know, just like a good, even though it's black, like a good summer shirt. but it was a little bit tight around the stomach, like lower stomach at the bottom, and then it was a little bit too loose, like in the armpits. You could see my bra kind of peeking through. It's pretty, but I don't know. Let's see how much it is. This is Your Story Renee Lace Detail Blouse, $44. Okay. All right, then the last thing they sent me, I rarely get shoes in Stitch Fix, so I was happy that whenever I opted to not tell them what I wanted, that they sent a pair of shoes, and these are them. They're from the brand Report. I mean, on the app they were cute. They're not my style, which the stylist wouldn't have known that because, like I said, I didn't say what I wanted or what I didn't want. They're cute summer shoes. However, they're just not for me. And then to make matters worse, whenever I put them on, it chipped my nail polish. So like, bitter me cannot allow myself to like these shoes because I literally just got home from getting a pedicure and it chipped my polish. It has nothing to do with the shoe. Like, it's not your fault. But me, I won't allow myself to like them now because I'm just real mad about that. So, here they are. If you like this kind of shoe, ask for it, but I can't. So how Stitch Fix works, as I've said, you get that $20 styling fee credited toward whatever you choose to keep. Also though, if you like everything in your box and you want to keep everything, they give you an additional 25% off. So if I kept everything in my box with my $20 styling fee and my 25% off, I could get it all for $184.75. However, these two are the only two that I would consider keeping. And honestly, I think I'm only considering, I love the feel of this, but I think I'm only considering it because it pairs so well with these shorts. And I don't know what else I have that I could pair with this. I guess you could really do anything. You could do orange, you could do white, you could do light blue, obviously navy. So I think that's one of the big reasons why I'm considering keeping this. How much would these two be? Let's add them up and see how much the shorts and the top would be if I just kept those two. All right, so the shorts are $68. The top is $44 minus my $20. That's $92 for an outfit. Y'all know I just went to Walmart and spent $100 and got 6 outfits. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is just keeping the shorts because they're $68. I could get that $20 styling fee, so I could get these for $48. $48 is a lot of money, in my opinion, for a pair of shorts. But when they fit as good as they do, and they're so, like, unique, I think it's worth it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will post a link to Stitch Fix down below if you're interested in signing up or you just want to read more about it. Also, I always link all of my previous Stitch Fix boxes in the description box. I think this is number 10 or maybe even 11 that I've done. So obviously, that's almost a year. No, I did 2 1 month. But still, 10 months of me subscribed to this service, and I've always said by far Stitch Fix is my favorite subscription box. They just have like really great pieces. The prices are, sometimes they're expensive, sometimes they're on point. It's just, it depends on what stylist you get and what you're looking for. But so yeah, all of that will be in the description box down below. If you're interested, please check it out. And as always, comment down below, and you do, and let me know what pieces you like. Let me know what you think about these shorts. And I know a lot of you are going to want them because they're that cute. So just again, they're the Leela Ryan Peyton printed trouser short. Leela Ryan. That way if you do Stitch Fix or if you sign up, that's the brand. Because I do sometimes get people commenting asking, you know, they missed me saying whatever brand or style something was and they want it for the next box. So there you go. I got you. I got you. So that is a wrap on this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.